So this is a video, Secret Clicks Engine, and if you've clicked on the other videos on YouTube, you've probably these terrible AI videos that they've created using some sort of software. You'll know what I mean when you see it from the content, and it's just really they're hoping, hit and hope that you'll click on their link. The review video has got nothing really to do with this product other than there's a Warrior Plus link. So and then there'll be someone else that may just have the video replaying this one, which I'll watch. So there's two secret methods that you don't know about, and their pitch on this one is if you'd been on YouTube at the very start, you'd probably be a millionaire. If you'd done marketing correctly, you probably would be, or if you bought Bitcoin at starting point of 1 penny, you definitely would be. So that's the kind of pitch on this one. So they're going to reveal two secret methods that are being used to get in while you can, and you can really make it. So in the sales page, it's 3-minute routine, get a stream of fresh clicks, leads, and buyers. And we're going to kind of watch a small video and then reveal inside the members area what these two secret methods are. So we'll come back in a few minutes.
And Max here, and welcome to Secret Clicks Engine. You are going to absolutely love this. Copy, clone, paste your way to ultimate traffic. And in our case, and in my 12-year-old son's case, and in Max's 76-year-old aunt's case, crazy results. That's the thing. We're all about results, but a lot of times people say, you know, James and Max, you guys have been in the game for a long time. Like, you somehow are these technical wizards. First of all, we're not. But when we're able to see how simple this was, when we created this, we're like, you know what? Let's prove that we can get a kid that's not even a teenager to do this. Let's prove that we can get somebody that's almost 80 years old to do this. If they can do it, anyone can do it. And that's the reality of this. So if you want traffic, if you want something that's super simple to do, and you want something that's been proven to work, again, not just by us, but by a 12-year-old and a 76-year-old, you want to check this out. So you want to check out the copy below. Max, I know you're excited to tell people about this. This thing works. This thing gets results in a brand new way. This secret portal that we're breaking down that no one else really knows about, you're going to crush it with this. So we're so excited to bring this to you today.
Yeah, guys, so we're all about finding new traffic strategies for us and for you guys. And this one here is super special, and it works super well. And when we found out about this and we tested it, we were like, wow, this is so easy that literally anyone can do this. And this is why James actually decided to have his son, his 12-year-old son, test it out as well. I gave it to my aunt. Like, she has nothing to do with computers, and she was like, wow, this is easy. She was able to figure that out real quick. And if you're now thinking, well, like, why would I do this? Because you want traffic. Like, you're watching this video here because you want to make money on the internet, and the most important thing is traffic. Like, if you have traffic, then you will make money on the internet. That's just what this is all about. And yeah, so this is really copy, clone, and paste, simple traffic to any product, to any link in any niche. If you don't have your own product, it doesn't matter. If you want to promote a website, send that traffic there. Like, this works in any niche. You can generate traffic to any link, and all you need to do to get started is click on the buy button down below, and then
So that's it. So if someone's not posting the AI video, which is unrelated in YouTube, they might have just posted that video, and I've seen it quite a lot, and that's it. So I'm going to be a wee bit different. I've actually bought the product, and we will head over to the members area just now. Okay, so Max and James, or James and Max, if you want to put it, they've kind of got a format with all their products. They also use ClickFunnels, and they're all set up the same way. The products, you'll watch the first step, and then they want you to join their school community, and then they kind of building up to to the big reveal. So all their products are like that, and they create a lot of different products, giving a lot of value. So here is the first one, and it is get started on Scribd. So this is um, the first big reveal. There's two in this sort of mini course. So it's almost like kind of going back to the 90s or focusing on PDFs to get traffic. So we'll log in and see about it just now. So we have on to Scribd. Here's just one of the PDFs I created, complete sole ad system, and then the offer is inside that. So it's created a PDF. So how did we actually do that? Well, they've built a system that will do it all for you as an AI. It's linked to ChatGPT, so you'll need a ChatGPT account, and we will head over to that just now and show you how it works. And this is how it works. So help me build a Scribd guide from scratch. That's the PDF rather, and then it doesn't take that long. It maybe takes 15-20 minutes. You would just answer all these questions and then it builds it for you. But then you have to go on Google Docs. It'll tell you actually the font size, what's to be bold, and all that sort of thing. So so does it get traffic? So we'll just head over to the offer that was promoting, which was Udemy traffic, and it does. So it's getting clicks. There's some sales as well. So that's the first one. You just follow ChatGPT, and it does it all for you. And then when we're inside Scribd, it's kind of easy. You save the PDF to your computer and then upload, and select, and it gets reviewed, and that's the first one. And then the next one is called Vocal. So you can go on Vocal.media and look at that yourself and go through the training. It's kind of slightly different. It's kind of images and getting traffic, writing stories. So, and it's the same sort of setup for Vocal.media. It'll talk you through it, wants information, and then it'll build it for you. So I'll let you go through the training for that one. So if you want to pick up this product, click the link in the description. Be well worth it, and we'll see you there.